Welcome, fellow adventurers, to an extraordinary journey beneath the waves. Today, join us as we embark on a thrilling scuba diving expedition to the Farilhões Islands, situated just off the coast of Peniche, Portugal. Our adventure commences at Aqua Sub-Oeste Dive Center, where we meticulously prepare our scuba gear. With every piece of equipment in place, we are fully equipped to explore the captivating underwater realm that awaits. Leaving the shores of Peniche behind, we embark on an exhilarating boat journey towards the Farilhões Islands. As we venture deeper into the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, our excitement grows with every nautical mile. Our first dive takes us to Rabo de Asno, an awe-inspiring rock formation wall that stretches down to a depth of 30 meters. Descending into the deep blue, we are welcomed by an underwater world teeming with gorgonian. Progressing along the wall, we encounter the entrance to an underwater cave. Intrigued, we venture inside, and what awaits us is a true spectacle. The cave is adorned with fascinating sea stars and schools of fish gracefully navigating their submerged realm. In this hidden sanctuary, time appears to stand still. We savor the delicate beauty of nature, capturing unforgettable moments as we encounter the mesmerizing marine life that thrives within these submerged walls. Ascending back to the surface, we carry with us memories that will forever linger. Our dive in the Farilhões Islands has revealed the breathtaking beauty and remarkable diversity that lies beneath the waves. It is a poignant reminder of the significance of protecting our oceans for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible scuba diving adventure to the Farilhões Islands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exhilarating journeys beneath the surface. Until next time, keep exploring and safeguarding our oceans.